Mabuhay Pilipinas! What's up sa inyo dyan? Welcome to Australia. Dito kami sa Gold Coast ngayon. And meron pinili ni tatay na isang unit dun sa Dwantro. Oh, diba? Social. Social means fancy, Dad.
Yes, I know.
You do? Social. So we're gonna go have a look. I haven't seen it yet. Ngayon pa lang ako nakapunta dito. Bago pa lang niya binili. Mga ilang buwan pa lang. So, ayun. Tignan natin yung itsura sa loob. Pero maganda yung building mismo, no? Malaki. Plan for parking, Mom?
Yes.
So, it's that apartment right there. Bam.
Yeah.
Yeah. Fresh na fresh ang hangin dito sa Gold Coast. Kahit city siya, super fresh ang hangin. Andun yung dagat. Andun yung building. Ayun. Super social, grabe. 205,000 Australian dollars ang gasto niya. Ito yun sa pesos. Ito siya, the mantra. Malawak yung lobby nila. Pang holiday lang talaga to. Walang nakatira dito. Kundi puro pang bakasyon lang. Yung mga unit na nandito. Bathroom in here. Nice. Beautiful. Oh, you got the swan towels. Yeah. Doors left open. Oh, it's a nice little view. You got the city that side, and then you got the beach that side. Cool. How many people can stay here? 4 people? Alright, if you want to book the mantra on the Gold Coast, come on down. This is what it looks like. 4 people can stay, 150 bucks a night plus a cleaning fee. Airbnb, isn't it?
Except for when it's holidays and it's double.
That's how you make money, man. Grabe, lahat ng sakripisyo ng tatay ko paid off, diba? Laki ng city dito sa Gold Coast, pero malawak at wala masyadong traffic. O tingnan nyo, diba? Kahit 5 PM na, wala masyadong traffic. Sarap ng buhay dito, kaso mahal. Yun nga lang, mahal. This is the pool area. Pwede ka mag-chill dito. Sarap, no? Andun yung dagat. Beautiful. Look at the beach there. Mga spa. Yun. Ah, this is heated. Good. Oh, yeah, it is. Yeah. Ayun, mainit. Sarap. Woohoo! Walking distance to the beach. Woohoo! Tuwing Biyernes may mga market dito. Ilagay ko sa description yung link sa Airbnb kung gusto niyo mag-book. Maraming iba't ibang restaurant dito. Marami. It's like a big walking street, walking area. Doon kami kakain sa Clock Hotel. Doon. Kakatapos pa lang namin kumain and then dumating na si Hali.
Mag-dessert na kami.
Get dessert, Hallie. What do you want for dessert? Yoti? Where is it? Cavill Avenue. Alright, let's go then. These restaurants closed until, I don't know, they're on holiday maybe. Yep.
So Hallie's got a job interview. Lorna Jane, eh?
Yeah, it's actually with YouTube.
Everyone wants you to start a YouTube channel, Hallie.
No, I will.
You should do it.
guys. I'll
ASMR
do it
YouTube.
ASMR.
Yes. The Sounds channel by Hallie. Oh, subscribe kayo. When you get your channel, we'll endorse your channel, Hallie.
Okay.
Give you a kickstart.
It sounds like you're in a coffin trying to scratch your way out.
Maganda din dito pag gabi. Huh? Mga ilaw, ang kulay, ang ganda.
You should do it, Mum. You can get my channel. Mum tries ASMR.
What do you do at Lorna Jane, Hallie? You just
Just
be the checkout chick?
yeah. Look, this is so merch.
Huh? Oh, is it? It's the shisha. The shisha, yeah. Nandito yung police station. Mga police ng Australia. Ito yung mga nightclub nila. Cocktails, Empire. Oh, it's a new one. I haven't seen that one.
In the Philippines, are so cheap, but they're not cheap.
Oh,
Like-
really?
They're like $3.
Really?
The Philippines are like 60 cents.
Yep.
For what? $3.50 for one donut.
Yeah.
Holy crap. That's crazy.
Kakain sana kami sa Krispy Kreme kaso mahal eh. Sobrang mahal. Alright, have fun with your kebab, Hallie.
I'll be back.
No. Okay. We're gonna get Krispy Kreme. See ya, Hallie.
Back, Hallie. Oh, you got a kebab. Very good. You got a milkshake.
Times 4 ata ang price ng Krispy Kreme dito sa Australia. 4 times the price. Grabe no? Pero ganun pa rin yung lasa. May pedicab sila dito sa Australia. May pedicab.
There's the pedicabs. Shut the door!
Hey, yo, check my flow.
Alright, we are back at the mantra. Looks cool at night. Look at now. Woohoo! Train down there.
Okay, mag-spa kami. Pumunta kami sa spa bath, yung hot tub sa baba. Tingnan natin kung masarap o hindi. Kasi malamig ngayon dito sa Australia. Malamig. Alright. Okay. We are going in the spa now. Medyo madilim dito. Walang mga ilaw dito sa gabi. So, ayan. We're gonna have a spa. Kaming lahat. It's gonna be masarap. Masarap dito, no? Sarap tumira dito sana. Alright guys, spa muna kami ha. Magandang umaga guys. Ganda dito. Super sarap. As in, relax talaga.
Yep. Pretty cool, eh?
Sunrise in the Gold Coast. Woo! Beautiful. Kasama ko si tata at nanay. Dito sila. Going walk on the beach. Sarap. What's that?
Session.
Sachet. What are you trying to say?
I'm trying to say.
Oh,
sushi.
social. Ito ang isang bisikleta service dito. Pwede ka mag-rent ng bike dito sa Gold Coast.